And welcome back to another video content of this channel. And if you are new here and find the value of it, please consider to subscribe and turn on the notification bell below to be updated on my future upload. Okay, on today's video we're going to unbox a professional transceive FM radio. It's basically like a walkie-talkie that I found from AliExpress. So I would like to check how good is this one, how affordable. It's a really cheap one. It's really nice. Let's see. Let's check the quality and let's see what's inside. Forward, let's see what's inside the box. Users USB charging, they have mini USB micro portable recharge from power bank, PC, USB, desktop, charger or wall charger. Red and green light remind you are charging and have finished charging, easy to carry when you need to work outside, and easy to find where you can charge. ABBREE walkie-talkie suitable for a variety of occasions and variety of people. Can be widely used in a big mall, restaurant, hotel, coffee shop, KTV bar, warehouses, property management, travel and hunting, and so on. PC software programmable when you have programming cable, and the ABBREE AR-M3 software can program the radio by PC. If you need them, you can leave us your email address. We can send it via email. Oh, so basically it's really straightforward. I like it. Yalla, we'll have read that one. Okay, here we go. Okay, first let's see the radio itself. Oh my god, it's really thin and basically it's very light. Wow. USB charging here, micro USB charging. This is the headphone jack. This is rechargeable, by the way, guys. Chargeable battery. And okay, this is the power button here. Wow. Okay. It says wow. So when you press from the side, it has a red ring color here. So it means that you are going to hear it, or you're the one who will speak. I mean, you're the one who will talk on this one. By the way, this is the brand ABBREE. I will check and I will put the link below so you can check it as well. This is really nice. I have Samsung, the small one. Yeah, this is my Samsung. You put it here. Basically, my Samsung's still larger. So it's really nice. Comparison wise, yeah, of course it's not mobile. It's a little bit bigger and thicker. I mean, when it comes on the width, and it has 2 units. Okay, so at least you can stock both of you. By the way, this is also, so once you press the other walkie-talkie, the other one is green. So this one will talk, the red one, and this one will listen. So vice versa. Oh, sorry. So vice versa. Okay, so aside from this, PTT button on the side. You can also use this one. Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Okay. Okay, so it has a volume button from the side. And oh, okay, so this is a flashlight. Wow, just press one. Just have to press it one time. Yes. Flashlight will be activated. Nice. Yep. Just one press from this power button and it will be activated. Comes also with the outlet charger. Micro USB. Okay. Charger that is included with this one. It's 220. So it has a micro USB.
3 hours later.
Okay, another charger. Since it's 2 unit, it has an individual wall charger. And what good thing here is this. Wow. It has two, if you wanted to make it, not vulgar, if you're outside. So you can use this one. This is, they call it earpiece. So instead of pressing this one here on the side, you will just press this one to talk. Let's show it to you. This will go to your ear. Okay, just like so. And put this one in your ear. Heard that, right? So once you talk, just have to press this one. You see that button lit color red, it means that you are talking. Okay, so just press this one. Switch on the other one just for you to see it is working. If it is working. I know, right? Yeah, so that's it. Press this button right here. Yeah. This is, you don't want it to be so loud. You are in the mall and you are walking with somebody else and you don't want to disturb a lot of people or to distract them. Yeah, basically you can put this one over your ear and you can speak silently from here using this mic and earpiece at the same time. So this is a good deal, by the way. Wow, it's really nice and I'm so happy. And it comes also with a hand lace, so you can. Oh, it has also two earpiece, mic with earpiece. It comes also two. So I think I'll just end up the video now. That would be all, guys. And hope you like it. If you like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up.
I got broads in Atlanta. She took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the licks in the band. Legacies.